Hello, this is Stefano with the Cash for Gold Store, and today we'll be showing you how to evaluate the value of your scrap gold. So if you have scrap gold, you probably want to get rid of it. If you have something that's broken or unwanted, you want to kind of have an idea of how much it's worth and have an idea of how much you're going to get. So how do you do this? First, you have to take out your items and you want to separate them into categories. You want to separate into a 10 karat category, 14 karat, 18 karat, and so on. You also have the platinum category and the silver category. So once you've separated the different weights, you want to go online and you want to look at the spot price of gold, and you want to see what gold is trading at. Gold is a commodity like anything else. It goes up and down in value. So today it might be at 1200. A week ago it might have been at 1260. Tomorrow, who knows, it's a big question mark. So you go and you look up those prices, and then what you do is you weigh your gold. Silver, platinum, whatever you have. So we'll start with this bad boy. This is platinum. Okay. So we're going to weigh it, and we're going to see that it weighs about 13 grams, 12.92. For this demonstration, we'll call it 13 grams. So take it off the scale. Okay. So now we know that platinum's trading at around $1,500 per ounce. So we'll put in the 1,500, and then we'll multiply it times the purity, which is 950 on this platinum. And then we will divide it by the amount of grams, which is 31.1, and we get about $45 per gram it's worth of this platinum, times the amount of grams, which is about 13. On the high end, this is worth about $600. It's almost unbelievable. It retails for about $2,000, to give you an idea of what you'll be paying for it and how much the metal is just worth. Well, now when you go into a cash for gold place, when you sell your stuff online, when you go to a pawn shop, how much can you realistically expect to get? That's a very good question. Most places will pay you somewhere between 20% and 70% on your gold. That's a really, really big difference. Same goes for platinum, silver, and so on. Obviously, you cannot get 100% because they have to melt it down. There's a lot of work that goes into it. People have to pay the rent, and so on. There's been a lot of online buyers that have been said that they buy it around 10%. So on the low end, you're going to be looking at anything from 10% to the 20-30% range on the low end, which means you would have gotten $60 for this. On the mid range, you're looking at 40 to about 55%, and on the high range, you're looking at anything from 55% to about 70% on the really high range. So if you were to get 50 cents to the dollar on this, you would be getting about $300. Okay. Now, gold is a little bit more complicated than that because the purity depends on the carat. And then the real carat depends on the acid test and the electronic test. A lot of times the carat might say 14, but in actuality it might be 13 and a half or 12. When a buyer goes into buying the gold, your scrap gold from you, they have to be exactly precise, especially when they're paying you higher amounts. If they're paying you 70%, for example, they have to be spot on because that 2-3%, those 2-3 carats make a huge difference in terms of the percentage and your payout, and if they're going to make a profit or not at the end of the day when they buy the gold for you. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a better understanding of how this market works and how to evaluate your scrap gold items. This has been brought to you by the Cash for Gold Store, and we hope you continue watching our videos, following our blog at thecashforgoldstore.com/blog, YouTube, we're also on Twitter, and you can follow us many other ways as well. Thank you.